Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever Vegan Inspo. So glad that you've joined us today. Today we are going to be making southern black beans without the meat, vegan style. Today's ingredients are onion powder, salt, ketchup, organic mixed herbs, ground ginger, sunflower oil, garlic powder, bouillon powder, all-purpose seasoning, mixed peppers, 2 onions, tomatoes, ginger and 1 Scotch bonnet, and of course the star of the show, black-eyed beans. These were put to soak overnight, and then in the morning we throw off that water and rinse them, put them in some fresh water with some ginger just to take off some of those gases as we cook them, and we let that cook until they are soft. Next we're going to add our chopped onions, our chopped peppers, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet and a little bit of tomato puree into the blender and blend that all together to make our sauce. Once the beans are cooked, we're going to put them into a bowl and just put them to one side, making sure to take out all of those pieces of ginger. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil into a warm pan and let the oil become hot, and then pour in our sauce. Now we're going to add in our seasoning, half a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, bouillon, some salt, some ground ginger, mixed herbs, and finally a teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Then we're going to let the sauce simmer for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to add our black beans and let that cook on a medium heat for between 30 to 45 minutes, after which we serve it with some lovely potatoes and some barbecue vegan steak. It is delicious. Remember to follow us on Instagram, and if you use any of the recipes, be sure to tag us, and also follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and leave your comments below of any recipes you'd like to see. We look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.